So I'm making another video here. It's for the AC control and the heater control. So this is the original part. You can tell it's written Chrysler right there. Where is it? Chrysler right there. And so I got it re-chromed, and look how beautiful that looks. That's just dirty because of my hands. And just scuff it. Just not scuff it, I mean wash it a bit. So the control switch, the heater control switch, the one that I have, okay, this looks like warped, totally warped. These guys unfortunately all broke off, and then so I had to get a used one here to plug into this area. This is all for the air, so air passes through here through the vacuum on the car, and I'm gonna have to solder off each of these guys here and solder them back on, clean them, clean the connections and whatnot. Same with so this piece right here, I just put it on, right, and looks pretty clean, looks okay. This here that goes right here, all I'm gonna do is nickel plate the top part, make it look beautiful, nice and shiny. This part here goes on top, right, and on top, like so, right here. Okay, just showing for some of you who have never done this before, and this is actually my first time, but I disassembled it and kind of took mental notes of what needs to happen. So this part here goes as such, like this, on top, and it bolts from underneath. So you bolt these guys, so this goes on as like so, goes here. And then you get these guys here, that these buttons that you push and pull, these actuate over here, and so you bolt it underneath with the screws. And once that's done, you put it back together. There's also this part here, so I got the fasteners for this. Of the original one. There's also this this piece here, which is supposed to go here. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this part is here, and the other part, I'll have to look at some of my videos and pictures I took, and this part goes in the on the other side. So this probably goes over to the heater box, and which controls the air circulation. So it's like the temperature. So it's the temperature. You got the on-off switch. You got the maximum AC heat, defrost, and the fan. So, but this one here, there's a way to put it with these. This little lock-in sort of plate that you screw onto here, and I have the screws to screw them, put everything back onto the on the dash. So that's pretty much it. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. You got this arm here, this guy, okay, this guy here bolts over here, and this arm slides up here. This is a broken one, so I had to buy a used one, and replacing this whole piece. The one I bought looks way better, way cleaner. You don't have to do much to it. I actually am repainting all of these, making them look nice. I actually forgot this one here. Well, it's good, so I can get to show you guys. Use SEM Lando. It's called Lando Black. It's really good for plastic. So you put some before applying the paint, you put some adhesion promoter because it sticks better to plastic, and then afterwards you spray a couple of coats of the Lando Black, and you get a nice finish on your parts. And pretty much that's it. So unsolder these. I'm gonna weld them back onto this right here, and then put this guy on. So actually this guy here, this is, I just put it here for now, but I'm gonna clean this and nickel plate this. I want all my parts to look like new, so I'm gonna nickel plate the screws and everything, dip them in the acid. We'll probably polish them and get that done. And I'll show you guys the end result in a following video, and we'll see how it goes. So this part right here, if some of you don't know, I had to get the OER ones. So this is part right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Part number 3895790. It's a 60 to 74 AC heater control switch. So there you have it. I got this off of Classic Industries, and should be working just fine afterwards. So that's it. Not much to it. Anything else? Some other parts that I need to look at. This one. So I'll just put my screws here for now so I don't lose them. And I'm going to be nickel plating all the screws. Nickel plate this guy right here, and probably clean it out, make it look nice. And once that's done, hook it up into the dash, and we're done. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Alright, so here's the update on the AC heater controller. So what I've done, rather than soldering them, I put these connectors and put some heat shrink on top and connected them all according to how they were on the other switch. And went ahead and put this long cable. So this cable here that hooks up to the heater box, and also put this guy here that connects to the pods, the actuators. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and install it on the dash. Clean all this all up. I didn't end up nickel plating it, but I left it like this and just scuffed it with some Scotch-Brite, and that should do it. I mean, this is all in the car, and there's no rust, there's no nothing. Repainted and made them all look nice, all the knobs, and they're all functioning correctly. And yeah, we're done. I'm just gonna put that back in there and move on to the next thing on the dash. So putting the harness and running the harness and all that. I'm using dielectric grease, so for all my connectors. So any connectors like these guys, put some dielectric grease so that they're easy to pop out and they won't rust, you know, even these guys. So that's it. This concludes the AC heater control. Thanks for watching.